Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to show you kind of an easy prediction card trick that you can do with a borrowed deck, a regular deck of cards. There's no setup involved, it just uses a completely regular deck of cards. Now the trick's called easy prediction, so it's going to involve the magician making a prediction, okay? So I'm going to go through the deck of cards right here so nobody can see what card I'm going to pick, but I'm going to look for one card in particular that I think that you might choose. And you're going to choose a card in a kind of a different way than normal, okay? So I'm going to say that that is my prediction, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the spectator just to give me a number. And they can give you a number between 1 and 52, but I'm going to ask them for a number between probably 10 and 50, okay? Just so we're not counting all day. So let's say they said the number 13. So I'm going to count down 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? And we'll just use these 13 cards. Now, if I take the 13 cards and just separate them into two piles just like this, I'm gonna get one card, and one card will be the number of the value of the card, and the other card will be the suit, okay? So I turn this card over, I come up with a queen, and I come up with the suit of diamonds over here. So I should have predicted, if I did this correct, that they would have stopped me at the queen and a diamond. And would you know it? Look at that, there's my simple prediction. And that's simple prediction, and it's very easy to do, and it's self-working, normal deck of cards. There's no setup or anything like that, okay? But before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate it. If you're on YouTube, I post tutorials once a week, usually on Wednesdays in the morning. So make sure you ring that bell to be notified of when I do post new tutorials up on YouTube, okay? And I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. You're the best. And if you want to look into information on how to become a channel member, just go ahead and YouTube and click on that membership tab and it'll give you all the information there, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, easy prediction. Now for the tutorial, okay? Like I said, it's a regular deck of cards. There's no setup involved, and all you're going to be doing is looking for a prediction card, okay? So you can shuffle your cards as many times as you want, it doesn't matter, but you go through the deck and you say, I'm going to look for a prediction card. And what you're doing is you're looking at the top two cards of the deck, okay? No matter what they are, it'll always work just as long as they're not the same suit, okay? So in this case, I have a 5 and I have a spade. So I'm gonna look for the 5 of spades. The 5 of spades happens to be right here. So that'll be my prediction card, the way that these cards are set up like this after shuffling, okay? But if you shuffle again, cut the deck, have the spectator shuffle, it doesn't matter because your prediction card, it changes every time, okay? So you go through the deck, you say, I'm gonna look for a prediction. And what you're doing is you're looking at the top two cards. So there I have an 8 and a club. So I'm gonna be looking for the 8 of clubs, okay? While I'm looking for my prediction. And you just give a line about, I think you're gonna pick one of these cards, or this is my prediction, and blah, 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 whatever your pattern may be, okay? And you're looking for that 8 of clubs, or whatever card those two match up to be, and you just place it on the table. Then, now you ask the spectator for a number. And you can shuffle the cards again at this point. Just keep the top two cards on top of the deck, okay? As long as you just maintain those top two cards on top of the deck, you can shuffle as many times as you want, okay? You can't cut, you can do a false cut, but you can shuffle and just maintain those top two cards on top all the time as you shuffle, okay? Now, they can give you any number they want. Yeah, you know, 2 doesn't look good, so I always say, you know, give me a number between 1 and 52, probably 10 between 10 and 40, so we're not counting all day. Whatever number they give you, it doesn't matter. Let's say they said 15. You count down just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, once you've done that, now those two cards that were on the top are now on the bottom of this stack of cards, okay? And then now you separate them into two piles. And just remember that the last card you deal will be the 8, so that'll be the value of the card, and then the other one will be the suit. So this was the last one I dealt, so I said this is gonna be the value, and this is gonna be the suit. So wouldn't it be amazing if I predicted that you would have stopped me at the 8 and a club, 8 of clubs? That's it. Easy prediction, no setup, very impromptu. You can do it on the run with anybody's deck of cards. You don't need a full deck or anything like that. And it is a regular deck of cards. It just always want to look, except for when they're like this, you can't, because this is an 8, this is a club, you know, and this is a 4, and this is a club. You can't really do it when they're the same suit at the top. So you'd have to shuffle again or cut the cards just to try and get different cards at the top, okay? And that's it. That's the easy prediction, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and until next time.